This afternoon we're going to do a little short float of an urban stream. This is Autauga Creek. I normally don't like to identify the places where I fish when we deal with small flows because it can introduce extra pressure. But this particular creek is well known, runs right through the middle of Prattville, and has a very clearly marked canoe trail, so it's not exactly a secret. Really two different parts of the creek. Where we're going to be today is upstream of the pond and dam in downtown Prattville. It's a slower pace. We'll do some paddling up and down this little section right here, see what we can do. If you get below the dam, below downtown, it's more of your regular fast-moving small creek. We'll do a trip there later on, maybe this fall, see if we can do some fun there. But today we're going to hit the kayak, going to hit Autauga Creek, and maybe we'll have some good luck. All right. We're going upstream just a bit from where we put in. Got us a deadfall here blocking the creek. I am not going to drag over it. We're just here to have a little fun this afternoon. So this is where we're going to start fishing. I've fished this upper section, floated this area from the same put-in point once before. I'm liking what I'm seeing today. The one time I was here earlier, the water was way down. Didn't have near the depth it's got now, so maybe we'll have a good day. Gonna be fishing. Gonna start off with a little 1.5 inch Bobby Garland on a 1/32 ounce jig head. I kind of wish I'd brought my top water here now that I see how the creek is looking today. But again, going off my only experience I've had here, the water was a lot slower, a lot shallower. Didn't have anywhere near the depth it's got here. I would love to have my top waters with me today. We don't have them, so we're just going to do the best we can. There we go. There we go. First fish of the day. Oh, that looks like a decent sized panfish. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's what we are talking about, y'all. Ooh, doggy. Look at that. See if we can get out of here without. And listening to myself on some of these videos, I realize how country I sound, but I don't care. This fish right here is huge. Absolutely huge. Exactly what you're hoping to catch with 4-pound test on an ultralight. That's awesome. I don't care where you are. That fish right there is a bragger. Thank you, sir. Let's get back up there. See if he's got a friend by that seawall or whatever that little concrete structure is. I doubt he's the only guy hanging out there. He probably is, however, the king of the hole. That was a nice sunfish. awesome thing about kayaks as opposed to bass boats with trolling motors or even wading. A lot of times you can float right over the hole and the fish aren't terribly bothered. Let's see. There we go. That's much better. Get back in there where this last guy came from. There he is. There's another bite. Yep, he's on. Oh yeah. Pretty long ear. Pretty long ear sunfish. Only other time I've floated this little pocket right here was a really good spot. The creek goes to the left. This pocket builds back in here and it held fish. That has been several years ago, before COVID, so we're talking 2018 maybe. So who knows how much the creek has changed since then. I'm thinking there's a catchable fish in here somewhere. There we go. There is a catchable fish in here somewhere. And he's on our hook. Another long ear. That's what I caught in here the last time. Not a very big guy. Maybe what's grabbing at it right there. That's all right. We are here to have fun. We have already caught a way bigger fish than I was expecting to catch. So it's already been a good day. Oh, that's another good cast right there. But look at there. Uh-oh. They're still in here just like they were several years ago. Let's get in and grab this trash out of the creek. I mean, it's an urban creek. There's going to be trash in it, but no reason we can't pick up some along the way. We're not going to go out to it. Right around that bend you see looking ahead here is the lake in downtown Prattville. It's held back by the dam. You can float on it. I have floated on it the other time I came down here. Just not going to go that far down today. Got to paddle back up, hit a couple of spots that we hit on the way back down, and call it a day. There we go. Oh no, he's off. Caught the anchor, caught the tow rope though. It's gonna be fun. Well, we had him on, but we didn't land him. So I don't guess he counts. So that's going to do it for Autauga Creek. Not a lot of fish caught today, but still had a good time. Beautiful fall weather. I love this time of year. Low humidity, cool temperatures. Water still really nice. One really nice brim caught. Can't be complaining too much about that day. Not going to have every day where you catch 20 or 30 fish, but any day on the water is a good day. See you guys the next time. If you have enjoyed this video, hit the like and subscribe buttons and help me grow the channel. Have a great one.